Looking to do some panelling, trim or architrave work around your house, but staring at your hammer and nails and thinking, there must be a better way? Well, there is. It's time to get yourself the Ryobi cordless nail gun. This second fix nail gun is the Ryobi R16 GN18 16 gauge straight finishing nailer, and it will help you finish your job with the cordless convenience of ONE technology. Made for extended periods of work, it has the ability to drive up to 1,000 nails per charge, allowing you to get more done faster without having to stop and recharge. The 78% smaller nose and improved line of sight allows for more precise and accurate drives even in tight spots, and tool-free depth of drive adjustments ensure the perfect settings for your project. The improved jam release latch makes it easy to clear jam nails, and the dry fire lockout feature extends tool life and increases productivity. The low nail indicator allows you to quickly and easily see when it's time to reload, and with the ability to drive 19mm to 64mm 16 gauge straight nails, this nailer can tackle a variety of applications like panelling, skirting and architraves effortlessly. Now, if you've already got Ryobi tools, then this is a no-brainer because it's part of their ONE ecosystem. That means it uses the same battery you use for your drill, your grass trimmer and over 200 other Ryobi ONE tools. So there's no need to buy into another ecosystem. Everything you want you can do with Ryobi ONE+. Here at ITS we have an exclusive limited time offer. If you buy this nailer from us at its.co.uk, we're going to give you a free battery and charger worth £95. But this offer won't hang around for long. The Ryobi R16 GN18 second fix nailer is available right now at its.co.uk.